What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, here with another car video. I know, 3 car videos in a row. I know, it's probably getting annoying by now, but I'm at my school right now. I put the HKS on today. Here it is in all its glory. It's very nice. And also, under the hood, I have this bad boy. Let me try to open this with one hand. This hood is heavier than the Corolla, so it's a little harder, but yeah, I have this in here now, which adds a total of 25 horsepower to the car. The exhaust adds 5, and that adds 25. So I am at 188 horsepower now. I'm just gonna get something to hold my phone up because I want to get a start up and get some little revs for you. This works. Let me move it a little bit more. Alright. Hopefully you can see the back of the car. Oh, there's a little look at how my car sounds with the exhaust. It's only 96 decibels, I think, so it's not insanely loud, but it does sound pretty nice. You get some low RPM crackles. I want to do a little on-board ride, but I don't want to have to film and drive, and I don't have anywhere to put the camera, so maybe I'll wait and do that in my own development to do that. But yeah, a little sneak peek at what the car sounds like now. See ya.